hooked onto a cracker.
Absolute cracker.
This one's actually legitimately a cracker, as opposed to the salmon. Oh, here he goes. Come on, Kingy. We're hoping for a Kingy viewers. All you thousands of viewers out there. He's pumping it like a champ.
Bicep muscles.
Wouldn't want anyone else on the main rod. Perhaps myself. Oh, this is good. He's taking us all around the boat. Going for a ride. As long as he stays away from the moorings. Ooh, fight of a lifetime. He's cruising high like a salmon.
Yeah, I reckon like a salmon.
Can't really see the line in the camera. Bring him up, Higgs, mate.
Oh, he's going hard. If he's a salmon, he's big.
We'll get back to you, viewers.